Good morning, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab sitting in our California native Basin meadow. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about planting and seeding wildflowers for pollinators. It's important to provide habitat and food for all of our pollinating insects, especially bees and butterflies. So fall is the right time to be planting our California native wildflowers in Southern California. So let me give you an example of our Basin meadow. Our native Basin meadow provides an area where native plants can provide food and habitat for pollinators and migrating birds and insects. It captures water during wet seasons and during the times of the year when the marine layer is thick. And as you can see, we've got lots of different native plants, including black sage, white sage, deer grass, showy penstemon. Great habitat for birds. The best way you can support pollinators, other than not using any chemical pesticides or insecticides, is providing food and habitat for them. So in the fall months, I like to plant a wildflower mix, something like this that I got at the Theodore Payne Foundation, or a similar sort of native space would be helpful, like Jajamogna or Rancho Santa Ana Botanic all provide California native wildflowers. And I just sprinkle this mix in the fall. I make sure to water them in, and by late winter, early spring, you will have a meadow full of wildflowers providing tons of pollination space for bees, butterflies, flies, moths, and even wasps. There's lots of different pollinators. You'll also be providing food for birds, native birds and migrating birds. This is really important in urban areas to provide as much habitat as possible, because habitat gets eaten up by urban sprawl. So in any empty spaces, pots, parking strips, anywhere you have a little extra space, try and plant some wildflowers this fall so that we can support our pollinators in the spring. Thank you so much, and I hope you join us for our next video. This has been Liz with Kids Gardening with Liz. Say my name a lot. And we hope you will subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want more info on native plants and environmentalism, please visit our website at ecourban.gardens.org. Thanks so much. Have a great day.